As you know, in 1 month I hold a workshop in Spain. If we have a perfect combination between perfect materials, perfect brands in one perfect place, it's like a miracle. So on that event, on this workshop, I will be happy to represent my set from Escoda Brushes. They make a set special for me, and it's incredible quality brushes, I believe you know that, and perfectly selected. That's exactly what you need to make a perfect painting, especially on the plein air, which we will do on my workshop. Plus, I have a special gifts for you from the Daniel Smith. So in one perfect place in Spain, we have a presentation of my new set, we have some special things from the Daniel Smith, and brilliant weather. We still have places, and if you have a chance, please join me. This is Ultima More Brush, synthetic, and as usual from Escoda, that's the perfect quality brushes. Plus one brush, special brush, will be in my set. This is a new line, Kronos. This is as well as synthetic brushes, but extremely pointy, and it's something incredible.